Welcome to Soothing Pod's Daily Meditation. In this session, we'll use stillness when faced with the unknown, encouraging answers to arise spontaneously rather than seeking them out. Let's start by sitting in an alert yet relaxed posture. Let your back straighten. Relax your shoulders. And find a comfortable place to rest your arms and hands. As you breathe deeply, notice if you're holding any unnecessary tension. Use your exhales to soften. Relaxing your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. Soften your neck and release any gripping anywhere else in your body as you give yourself permission to arrive into your practice. Now let your breath return to an effortless pace. Notice the easy, spontaneous breath flowing in and out of your body. And stay as present as you can with your whole breath, from its very beginning to its very end. As you breathe, lean into your inhales and exhales. And notice the slight pause that exists between each part of the breath. It may be tiny, but it's there. This little moment when your inhale ends, a suspension before the exhale begins. And the pause that happens naturally when the body is empty of breath before it fills up again. For the next few moments, without forcing, just observe the stillness between your inhales and exhales. The small gap between the ending of one breath and the beginning of another. If thoughts arise, be gentle and kind as you guide your attention back to your breath. Follow your inhale from beginning to end, pausing briefly before it transforms into an exhale. And then follow your exhale until it ends, resting in the stillness and silence between breaths. And now let your attention widen. When we're faced with the unknown or run into the unavoidable process of having to make a decision, we often pull out all our tricks to resolve our questions. We might think our way through endless lists of pros and cons, moving back and forth between our options. And often, we're left even more confused than when we started. Though it might seem counterintuitive, silence is frequently where answers arise. Our meditation practice helps us quiet the mind, and through stillness, clarity can emerge. We might find pause by sitting on our cushion, taking a long bath, or walking through the woods. But regardless of how we access silence, clearing our head rather than searching for answers is often the best way to tap into our inner source of knowing. Now, gently come back to your body. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Notice your body in space. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Try tapping into stillness today, and let's meet back here tomorrow.